नमस्कार सबको, मेरा संध्या काल का प्रणाम स्वीकार हो। इस 2 आवर के सेशन में हम आप लोगों से कुछ उसकी जिस्ट के बारे में बात करेंगे। दैट इज़ द टॉपिक इज कास्ट रिडक्शन ड्यू टू साइंटिफिक KRA। आप अचंभे हो गए होंगे कि KRA और कास्ट रिडक्शन में डॉक्टर श्रीवास्तव क्या बोलना चाहते हैं। आपके सामने मैं पेश करूंगा और आपको पसंद आएगा। KRA क्या होता है? की रिजल्ट एरिया। जब आप आदमी को अपॉइंट करते हैं जो है, तो दिस इज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द वाइट कॉलर वर्कर, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द ब्लू कॉलर वर्कर। प्लीज कीप इट इन माइंड। When you are appointing white collar person in your organization, white collar means what? The person who is doing desk work, table work, writing work, and involved in those kind of the work which is not related to the labor work, you know. So that is called the white collar work. In this, what happened that haphazardous minute you are appointing the person. Sometimes MD says, अरे ठीक है यार, 5 अकाउंटेंट अपॉइंट कर लो। अरे क्या झकझकबाजी करते हो? ठीक है, आपके ऊपर काम ज़्यादा है, आप 3 परचेज असिस्टेंट रख लीजिए, 3 परचेज ऑफिसर रख लीजिए, 2 ऑफिसर रख लीजिए, 1 मैनेजर रख लीजिए जो है। ठीक है भाई, HR में आपको डाटा सर्च करना पड़ता है, आप 4 आदमी और 4 एग्जीक्यूटिव रख लीजिए, 1 मैनेजर रख लीजिए। इस तरीके की बातें आज भी समाज में, इंडस्ट्रियल समाज में चल रही हैं। व्हाट हैपन? दीज आर द टॉक ऑफ द गुड टाइम, हेल्दी टाइम. Now today is corona period is going on, and we don't know that even after 5 months and 6 months how many more years, more time, more month it will take, and it has made totally paralyzed. So in these circumstances, be more scientific in your approach. What I mean to say that whatever manpower requirement is there, you have identified, all right, but you squeeze it down. That how we have to go for the multi-talented personality. Earlier we were going for the talented personality, now we have to go to multi-talented personality, जो कि 2-4 काम को कर सके और रिजल्ट टाइम पर हमको दे सके। पहला तो हमें रिक्रूटमेंट सिस्टम में ये बदलाव लाना पड़ेगा, और उसके साथ जो भी आदमी हम ला रहे हैं उनका JD पहले हम डेवलप कर लें, स्टडी कर लें कि इस JD को कोई और काम नहीं कर रहा है, ये यही आदमी काम करेगा। और उसका KRA फिर आप ऐसा लिखें कि उसमें अच्छा स्टफ हो, और वो आदमी को फिर इमीडिएटली आपको उसके क्राइटेरिया को ना देखना पड़े कि ही इज़ परफॉर्मिंग अंडर परफॉर्मेंस एंड हीज इफिशियंसी इज़ नॉट बीइंग यूटिलाइज्ड एंड KRA रिटर्न इज़ नॉट साइंटिफिक, इज़ नॉट रैशनल KRA. So you write a KRA such a way that like a one HR executive, he should know the payroll, he should know the taxation up to form number 16A, and he should be able to manage the employee data, third portfolio, and he should be able to go to, if required, you will get such kind of the person that you have to go to court also. Now why I'm saying he should go to court also, because many more cases from the labor department goes related to the salary grievance, सेटलमेंट ग्रीवांस. सो ही इज़ द राइट पर्सन. सो 4 आदमी का ये जो काम है, आप ऐसा आदमी पेरोल में रखें ये जो चारों काम आपका जो है मल्टीफोल्ड काम हो हैंडल कर सके और संभाल सके जो है. ये नहीं कि आपने डाटा नहीं दिया तो हमने ये नहीं क्रिएट किया. आप जो है कोर्ट में गए, आपने फाइल मांगा, हमने फाइल दिया, बाकी डाटा नहीं मांगा, हमने नहीं दिया, तो मैं क्या करूं? दोस्त टाइम, लग्जूरियस वर्किंग स्टाइल गॉन. You have to be very, very multi-fold approach in your working style. And when you have written the KRA of the person, then time and again it may be required to be revamped, re-engineered. What is this? You have to go for the job enlargement. You appointed a manager, and that manager is giving the, suppose you have appointed accounts manager, and you written the KRA that you will be up to party reconciliation, bank reconciliation, cash reconciliation, party reconciliation. This is your KRA, but you keep an eye that how this man is performing on this KRA, and if he is giving his best, and you feel that still he is having zeal, still he is having efficiency, still he can go for the better performance, then you have to enlarge his job. Enlarge his job means what? What is the KRA written? You insert some which he can also do on the projection basis. Job enhancement, it is voluminous. Suppose he is making the entry, suppose a executive of account, he is making the entry of 100 vouchers daily, and lot many vouchers are remains entered. What do you will do? You will मैन पावर रिक्वायरमेंट का फॉर्म भर के आप HR को दे देंगे? नहीं, don't do it. Instead of bringing the cost of the 50,000 rupees per bringing inducting the new person, you give 5,000 more to the present person and ask him to make the entry of all 300, all 200, and he is capable, he will do it. And more important is that he will not be casual in approach, because not having job, he will relax, he will say that what do, I have no work, I am relaxing, whatever written in KRA that I am doing. No, if job, more job, same job, you have to increase, you have to give him more, then pursue him. That boss, it is not that you are going to be enhanced, but rather you are going to be certain increase in your remuneration. So job enlargement, job enhancement, and then job rotation. Job rotation, how it reduce the cost? If you put the person, one person on the recruitment data CV search, same after 1 year you rotate him to the payroll, and after that you rotate to the counseling, or you rotate him to issue up to form number 16 and all these things. Then if you keep the people rotated, he learns many more सेल एक्टिविटीज. डिपार्टमेंट के नीचे सेल एक्टिविटीज, जैसे रिक्रूटमेंट इज HR, रिक्रूटमेंट इज द डिपार्टमेंट वर्क. लेकिन रिक्रूटमेंट में हम डाटा सर्च कैसे करते हैं, CV सर्च कैसे करते हैं, हम सॉफ्टवेयर का इस्तेमाल कैसे करते हैं, दिस कम्स अंडर द सेलोग्राम. सो लेट द पर्सन वर्क इन ए डिपार्टमेंट, another selo department, and another work also let him do, so he get acquainted, and when time comes he becomes the multi-talented personality. And when he becomes the personality, he handles more buckets, and he handles the more bucket, then one man doing more tasks, multitask, company saves the money, company happy, company is also that, as Mr. Srivastava is doing multitasking, and then company will be happy. So cost can be reduced this way also. First, again I am just repeating and narrowing down my talk, that write a scientific KRA which suits very much to his efficiency and productivity. Over a period of time, if the capacity increases and he is having more time, more capacity, then give the opportunity of the promotion and growth in the salary. If he is accepting job enlargement, job enhancement, job rotation, then where you are about to spend 50,000 rupees plus other benefits, there you are giving only 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees to the existing person, he is much more happy, his income also gone up, he is also going to get the promotion, and he will be happy, he will be giving his best always, and you will save the 40,000 rupees per month for many more years till the company is into existence. So keep this kind of the approach in the organization, and doing so we can help you. Be the Natus Management Consultancy LLP is not only the training program, but we are into the overhead reductions also from so many angles which I have discussed, and some I cannot discuss, so I am keeping, because अगर घोड़ा घास से दोस्ती कर लेगा तो खाएगा क्या. इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं अपने आप वाणी को विराम देता हूं। और जब भी कभी भी आपको ऐसा लगे कि ओवरहेड्स को सप्रेस करना है, अच्छे क्यारे लिखना है, जॉब इन्हांसमेंट, इनलार्जमेंट, रोटेशन करने हैं, आप हमें सेवा का मौका दें, हम आपके दहलीज पे खड़े होंगे जो। थैंक यू वेरी मच। डू टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ, and it is my pleasure that I interacted with you. Thank you. Good night.